Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to choose the hardest possible difficulty level in Doom: The Dark Ages. So to do it we have to go to the campaign, create a new game, click on the new slot and choose the Ultra Nightmare mode. Then skip this window and here we have modifiers that we're gonna use to make our game hardest. At first, choose the small value of per window, enchanted targeting should be off, empowered attacks should be on, then scroll down, disable the tutorials, disable the objectives marker style to not show the markers. Damage to players should be 500%. Damage to demons should be lowest, 500. And enemy aggression, of course, the most. Gain speed. If you have the 150%, the game will be fastest and also the hardest. Days duration, set up this at the lowest point. Enemy projectile speed should be fast and resources value on the low level. And that settings should make your game be a very hard to beat, but I wish you luck. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!